Good day, everyone. We're here to start on creating a website. We'll go through the basic page structure, tags, and its formatting attributes. However, it will be very handy for us if we begin with the basic tools in creating a website. First is an HTML or text editor. This is where we create our HTML web pages. Second is a graphics or image editor. This is where we will create or edit our logos, icons, and images and background patterns or designs. Third is a web browser. This is where we view the web pages that we're going to code on our text editors. Not to mention, it's also where our users will eventually look at our websites as well. So here's a set of examples for our text editors for desktops and laptops. For Windows OS, a common alternative to your built-in Notepad would be a Notepad++. Another would be an Atom, Brackets, Visual Studio Code, and Sublime. The key features that I like having on these alternatives would be 1. Ability to have multiple tabs of codes. 2. The code hints while you type. 3. A file explorer for your folder locations on the left. 4. A minimap, like for you to be able to quickly jump from one area of code to another. And 5. The dark theme or dark mode to relatively ease the eyes while you're coding. For Android, there would be a number of capable code editors, among which would be the Anwriter, Acode, TrevEdit, and DroidEdit. I explored a bit on each one, and personally, I would go with an Anwriter and TrevEdit. The reasons would be a closer user experience on a desktop editor like the code hints while you type, a file explorer for better folder locations, and the dark mode. These features will usually make your coding way much faster than on a text editor without. For graphics or image editors for PCs, there are powerful photo and image editing applications like GIMP and Adobe Photoshop. Key features are mainly on having layers to separate each part of your images, powerful selection tools, masking, and the pen tool, plus vector graphics software like Inkscape and Adobe Illustrator. Scalable graphics that loses not its resolution, great for logos and rendering shapes and text. For Android, Google Snapseed, among others, is a great example for mobile photo editing. Both Logo Maker Plus and Logo Maker are also great for a quick and easy logo conceptualization and development. For web browsing on both laptops and mobile devices, there is the Opera, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge web browsers for Windows, Android, macOS, and iOS. And of course, Apple Safari, though it recently stopped development for Windows. Now that we know the basic tools, let's go ahead and create our first HTML page. On opening a new notepad, we have to learn file creation and management for better file organization. For desktops, hit Ctrl S or Save As on the File tab. Choose the Documents folder. Click New Folder and rename it with your surname. Double-click the folder. Type index.html as its file name and hit the Save button to finish. This is how an HTML basic structure looks like. There's an HTML document declaration, the HTML tag to enclose the whole document, the head containing metadata, and the body, which has the web content and everything that will be visible on the web browser. There are at least two types of HTML tags or elements. Those that have content like text, image, and any other form of media, and tags that format these contents. Tags or elements have an opening and a closing tag, though not all would require a closing tag. And lastly, we have nested HTML elements. With nested, which means getting a set of elements inside another element. The parent is the outer element. The children are found inside the parent element, wherein the relationship between these children are called siblings. And that's all for today. See you next week and have a great day.